Hello, and welcome to the update of March Wildness. I'm not sure who I am, but I'm pretty sure it's Gabriel Costas. How are you, Jim?
I'm not Jim. For the love of sweet Egypt, I'm Basu Ono!
Who's still in it to win it? Take it away, Jim.
Come on, man. Whatever. The streak is still on one. Starstruck is shining bright, and one-size-fits-all single game plan is working. Who else is there? Robert?
I'm Robert. Happy Demise has not met one yet. Hold the Door is still holding on, and Snickerdoodle is sweet on the heels of victory. Jim, what else you got?
Jim says Hooch is a hoot. Pinkle Twinkle is shining with victory in its side, and Tiger's Blood is here for #winning. There are too many to name, Jeremy. So what about the current discount on the remaining flavors?
I'm Jeremy. Thanks, Jim. The current discount is 16% on all remaining flavors, Jim. So Very Good is still in it. What do you think about that black jelly bean?
It's not funny anymore, and for some reason, this flavor is still in the running. How is it still in the running?
Head over to VapeWild.com and cast your votes. Remember, you'll be entered for one of 50 pieces of hardware. Visit now to find out if your bracket is still in it.
That's right, whoever you are. There's still time to save and win. Comment down below and tell us how your bracket is going. I'm Jim, apparently.
I thought it was Ponzo.
You know what?
But I'm Robert Jeremy. Happy March Wildness.
I'm really getting tired of working with you.
Seriously, I thought it was Ponzo.
You know, I don't even know why we even work together anymore. Now you get my name right? Now you get, we're 3 videos in. We're 3 videos.
You told me my name is Robert Jeremy.
I'm gonna hit you with my
Why are you
lies.
still wearing that same shirt?
I'm broke!